Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting equation, and here we're going to solve for the value of x. Now let's get started. From the left hand side you have the square root of x plus x. Then this is equal to 5. Now in our next step, let's take this positive x to the right hand side, and that will become negative, right? So we have here the square root of x is equal to 5 minus x, right? So now for us to get rid of this root sign, we are going to square both sides. So let's square both sides of this equation. So we have root x squared. This will be equal to 5 minus x squared. Okay, so here we can see that this square, we cancel the square root, and here we have just x. This is equal to, now to expand this binomial, let us make use of this identity. So we know that a minus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. So using this identity, so this is going to be 5 squared, which is 25, plus x squared, then minus 2 times 5 times x, which is 10x, right? Okay. So from here, this equation, let's change the sides. So we can make the right hand side the left hand side, and the left hand side the right hand side. So let's start with x squared. So we have here x squared minus 10x, then plus 25, then this is equal to the left hand side, x. In our next step, let's take this positive x to the left hand side. Mind you, the sign will change and it will become negative. So we have here x squared minus 10x, then minus x plus 25, and this is equal to 0, right? So here we have x squared minus 10x minus x will give us negative 11x, then we have here plus 25, this is equal to 0. So we can see that we have this quadratic equation which we are going to solve using the general quadratic formula. So we know that x will be equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, then divided by 2a. So here our a is the coefficient of the leading term, which is 1, b is equal to the coefficient of x, which is negative 11, and c, the constant, is positive 25. So now using this formula, so we get x is equal to negative b will be positive 11, right? Because b is negative here. So we have 11 plus or minus, then we have the square root of b squared will be negative 11 squared. Remember the power is even, so that will be positive 121 minus 4 times a times c will be 4 times 1 times 25, which is 100. Then divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 1. So here this is equal to 11 plus or minus the square root of 121 minus 100 will give us 21, right? Then we are dividing this by 2. Okay, now we can see we have these two solutions for x. So we have x1 is equal to 11 plus the square root of 21 divided by 2. And we have our x2, this is equal to 11 minus square root of 21 divided by 2. Okay, but it is very important for us to always check which of the solution that satisfy the equation. And after reasoning this problem, I found out that this solution here is an extraneous solution. So this solution does not satisfy the given equation, and the x2 value here is the only solution that satisfies the given equation. So right over here we have come up with the solution to the problem that x is equal to 11 minus square root of 21 divided by 2, and this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, also like, comment and share. Bye bye.